Here it is, Jersey Devil Wait. That didn't happen. All right, let's cross that out. Okay. Tallest, fastest. Yeah, for about 5 minutes. Thanks, Magic Mountain. So, what happened with Jersey Devil Coaster? What led the ride to this point? The answer is, well, complicated. For Six Flags Great Adventure in Jackson, New Jersey, it had been a rough decade. In 2006, they added El Toro, and since then, well, not much else in the coaster department. The last 3 coasters were either a relocation or a cloned attraction. And Wiggles World, of course. There was nothing wrong with these coasters. Green Lantern is actually one of my favorites in the park. It's just that, well, the fans of Great Adventure are some of the most spoiled in the industry. From 1997 through 2006, 8 different coasters were added to the park, including the tallest in the world, King Ka. On top of this, an entire water park and dozens of flat rides were put in. This was a great time to be a fan of the park. Some may even call it the golden age of Great Adventure. However, all this did was make the modern park's additions look weak in comparison. Fans of the park thought they were due for a coaster, and that time might have been near. In 2019, markings and clearings of land started to appear in Looney Tunes Seaport. After much speculation, at the end of August, an announcement was made. They actually did it. They put in an original coaster. Jersey Devil was going to be an RMC Raptor. This is a single rail roller coaster which can go through elements and inversions at a rapid pace. This was a new out and back model, much different from Railblazer and Wonder Woman Golden Lasso, the much more intense prototype models. The New Jersey Devil, a myth, was going to be the theme. No, not that one. It was nice to see the park going to more unique theming, and not another random comic book character. Jersey Devil Coaster starts with a slow climb up the lift hill. We'll speed that part up. The first element you go through is naturally the almost vertical first drop. It is fantastic and will have you out of your seat. You will then go into a huge turnaround, which will set you in position for a giant-sized airtime hill, something new for the RMC Raptors. The prototypes never had a hill this size. This is followed by a 0G stall. If you like hang time, this is for you. This is also a first for the RMC Raptor model. The ride then turns around in a unique looking element, sending you into a 0G roll, similar but much more snappy than the stall. It's just as thrilling, don't worry. After that, the ride loses all of its momentum you would have had going into the mid-course brake run. After that buzzkill, you make a low-to-the-ground turnaround and make your way back to the station. This part of the ride features a bunch of off-axis and smaller-scale bunny hills. This is a lot of hills in a row and a fitting end for Jersey Devil Coaster. After going into one last hill, you hit the brakes, and that's the ride. Construction was going fast for Jersey Devil, which started right after it was announced. The single rail track was looking great, and the ride went vertical right before the 2020 season was set to begin. It was almost time to see the ride get top. Uh-oh.
Construction is well underway, and the coronavirus isn't stopping people. What better way to spend quarantine on a kayak in the middle of a remote lake?
Great Adventure, along with just about every theme park in the world, would not open for the 2020 season on time. There was a little virus going around. Many rides were delayed, and eventually, so was Jersey Devil Coaster, being delayed until 2021. The park did open for the 2020 season in July, but with wacky protocols, toned down events, and no new ride, it just wasn't the same. It was great to see the park open during such a difficult time, but it wasn't the greatest season. There was hope on the horizon. 2021 was near.
The world's tallest, fastest, longest single rail coaster. The Jersey Devil Coaster at Six Flags Great Adventure. It will haunt you forever.
Finally, in June of 2021, Jersey Devil Coaster opened to the public. Finally, after so much waiting. Oh, wait, it was closed within a month because of a proactive measure. Thanks, Stunt Pilot. After a few weeks, they sorted this out. Jersey Devil was ready. No. Yeah, it was worth it. Jersey Devil isn't the best ride in the world. Far from it. The airtime isn't as strong as we expected, and for a ride designed for pacing, it sure doesn't have the greatest. Looking past this, Jersey Devil Coaster is still a very good ride. A great fit for Great Adventure. The inversions, particularly the zero-G stall, are a ton of fun. The theme is unique, and it offers a pretty solid night ride. What a complicated few years it was to get this thing open, and you know what? They did it, and it's been thrilling guests ever since. Jersey Devil is for sure a devil of a ride.